In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new calendar in Google Calendar. Whether you're organizing your work schedule, personal plans, or upcoming events, having separate calendars can really help with managing everything effectively. So, let's get started and walk you through this simple process. First up, open your preferred web browser and head over to Google Calendar's homepage. To do that, simply search for Google Calendar in your browser and it should be the top result. Once you're on the Google Calendar page, you'll need to log into your Google account, ensuring you have access to all the tools we need for this tutorial. If you're not already signed in, you will be prompted to enter your credentials. Once you've done that, click the Next button to proceed. When you're logged in, you'll see your calendar interface. Now let's focus our attention on the left panel of the screen. Here you want to locate the section that says Other Calendars. This is where all options related to managing multiple calendars are found and is the gateway to customizing your calendar space. Right beside the Other Calendars heading, you should spot a little plus icon. Clicking this icon gives you some options, and the one we're interested in today is labeled Create New Calendar. Go ahead and select that. Next up, you'll be taken to a page where we can input the details for your new calendar. Here you're going to enter a name for your calendar. Think of something that aptly describes its purpose. Maybe you're organizing work-related appointments or perhaps something just for family events. After naming it, there's an option to add a description. This step is optional, but it can be handy to note down any specifics or purpose regarding the calendar, especially if you plan to share it with others. One particularly important detail you need to set is the time zone of your calendar. Ensuring that your calendar is set to the correct time zone is crucial for accurately arranging events and reminders. This way, all your events will reflect the correct time and you won't miss out on anything important. Now, once you've filled in all the necessary details, simply head down to the bottom of the screen and click Create Calendar. The creation process takes just a moment, and just like that, you have a new calendar ready for all your planning needs. With your new calendar set up, you can start adding events by clicking on your desired date and time on the calendar view. This can greatly enhance your organizational workflow by keeping everything distinct yet accessible. Whether you create a calendar for each area of your life or just one to master them all, you're now fully empowered to stay on top of your planning game with Google Calendar.